Gold has risen this week in value, and we can see the price movement a bullish breakout on a Monday. After that, the bullish breakout has been confirmed with the next candle going down to the area of support 4105, confirming this bullish breakout as valid one, which means the candle did not close below this area of support. After that, the price has continued to rise in value. If you have watched my daily analysis, I have mentioned that after this bullish breakout has been formed, I was expecting the price will reach this area of resistance, and we can see it has lasted for the several days until the price has reached this target, and on a Friday the price formed again a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see this is the bullish breakout above 4188.33, and the price has closed above open and close price of these two candles, which is just showing very strong bullish momentum has entered the market, and the price formed also a bullish breakout above this smaller resistance level 4206.95, which is also suggesting that the next target is right here, the open and close price of these two candles, which is 42.47 on the 4-hour time frame. 42.47. I do not have any 42.47. I do not have any of the resistance levels here, but I have slightly down 42.35.13, where the price is stopped in this attempt to move higher. So I'm expecting on the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and it is targeting higher price levels. So I'm still open to see the price reaching higher price levels on the weekly and also the daily, and this is the target 42.89.23 is the next target. First one is this one here, 42.47, but after that the price will easily reach this area of resistance, and after that potentially also this one 43.25, which is the resistance right here, open and close price of these candles on the daily time frame. Feel free to watch also the daily analysis during the week for the gold, where I also share these details where the price could go in the future every day. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.